Hello friends, welcome back for another pouring art session, and I have a tile in front of me that I've already prepped with a thin layer of white, so just white paint mixed with water, that's it. I'm trying out a recipe from Molly's Artistry. She's a beautiful artist. Make sure you check her out if you haven't already. And she uses, she makes her own pouring medium with 60% Floetrol and 40% gloss medium and varnish. I'm using the Liquitex brand, and I've made that pouring medium and added roughly 1 part paint to 1 part pouring medium. The paints I was using were already fairly liquid, so I didn't add any water, and the consistency already looks quite nice. So I've got a purple here today, a nice pink, pretty turquoise, and a sunny yellow. So I'm just going to pour my cup. Well, I'm going to put it in that cup that had some white already. Why not? I'm going to start with some purple. I'm not sure what's going to happen here because these paints really are quite liquid, so well, they feel quite liquid. We'll see. I'm going to try to put the yellow on top of the blue mostly, not so much on top of the yellow, which is what I was trying to avoid. But my blue sunk in, so bit of pink, a little bit more purple, some more blue, all of it even. And then one last bit of yellow. I think that should be enough. Plenty of paint for this little tile. It's approximately 30 centimeters, I'd say. Rough. Oh, actually probably a bit less. Probably 25 by 25. Roughly. Anyway. So I haven't put any silicone or anything else in there. And I'm just going to flip it. There's so much paint. I always put too much. I just get overexcited, you know. So I've already pulled some out. So we'll already have a little bit of stuff going on here. Just a little bubble. You can go away. Thanks very much. Let things slide down the inside of the cup. I'll try not to get too excited and lift it up too early, which is the part that's the most exciting, I find. After that, once you've released everything out of the cup, well, it can go either way. It can turn out awesome or it can turn out into a mess. So it's not always a choice. It doesn't feel like it is. Okay, I think that's long enough. Let's just pull it up. Oh, such pretty colors. So pretty. Let's put the little drips in the corner here. This is already trying to escape. I thought my surface was level, but clearly not so much. I'm gonna put a little foot stick underneath one of the, just here. Hopefully that will help it a lot. If not, well, we're just losing paint. Let's torch it. Definitely a bit more liquid. Feel like they're trying to escape on me already. So let's just tilt a little before all the paint is gone. It's going to be a little trickier because it really feels so liquid. Let's tilt some of it off, but the colors have not muddied up. Even though I've got some yellow into my purple a little bit, let's tip some of the purple off here. Put the pink down there. And then back into the other corner. Just a little bit down here. The pink certainly has disappeared a little bit here, but you know, it's still there, but it's not quite as vibrant as I thought it would be. Now let me just clean my hands, so to speak. Just add a drop of paint on that corner because it looks weird having some pink there. Just on the tip. Okay, well, it's turned out quite well. Quite like all that lacing here. I love the yellow and the green that's been formed by mixing with the turquoise. And it's mostly purple. I may have put a bit more purple than other colors, but anyway, my hands are so messy. I'm going to wash them up before I keep talking. Okay, that's better. So yeah, I like the lacing that's forming here. I'm going to torch it a little and see. There's definitely lots of little white bubbles popping up. Bit of interest. It looks like I just sprinkled them on. The paint that I used was in the best quality. This is the Semco brand. I got this at Spotlight. I thought, you know, why not try a different brand just to see. No expectations, or definitely low expectations. So that explains probably why it's a little bit more liquid than I hoped for. But still looks quite pretty so far. I'm just going to blow a little bit on the corners here. Get some of the colors underneath to show up a little. Why not? Just a bit more interest, I think. And maybe not so much purple in that corner. Let's do the same around here. So as you can see, as soon as I blow on it, it just wants to run to the edges. A bit on this side. Adds a little something. I love this section here. I think I like it this way. It's just leave on these edges here. I like having these that little section. It just adds something. So I'm going to do a bit more on that side too. Doesn't have to be perfect everywhere, but it's on both sides at least. Okay, I'm happy with that. Really love the composition and just, you know, having the texture on the sides here, something a little different, and then beautiful lacing down here. I'm going to just that white bit here. Felt like it was standing out a little bit too much. Bit more of the blue uncovered. Okay. I will fix the edges off camera, but I'm going to show you what it looks like up close. Okay, look at those pretty colors. Aren't they beautiful? And look at that beautiful lacing. So pretty. It's a lot to look at on this little piece. It's little cells. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up to let me know that you did. And come and visit me at mimibondi.com and come and say hello, see what else I have to show you. Lots of videos out there. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now and thanks for watching. Just a quick update. I decided off camera to blow on the edges a little bit more just to bring back the white and create a bit of a frame around this painting. So this is what it looks like, at least for now. It may move a bit more, but you get the idea. So just wanted to show you. All right, bye for now.